Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2020. If you have a 2021 or newer, the location of fuses will be a bit different. All the power windows fuses will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin just behind this cover. Now you can access them by pulling this cover towards yourself, and then you will see deep inside the fuse box. I will turn the flash on my phone. Okay, you see it there. Now it's not the easiest to access it through here, so your other option is to try and access it from down here. So you'll have to get yourself into awkward position and reach the fuses that way. To be honest, this fuse box sits in a kind of awkward position, but it is what it is. Okay, now I will try to record this the best I can. First fuse to check will be fuse number 23, which is responsible for power to driver window switch. It will be up here. You will see my screwdriver. So the first fuse on the left side on the top, red 10 amp fuse, this is the one. The next one, fuse number 25, it's right here. It will be green 30 amp fuse, responsible for driver door power window, so left front door. Then just under that one, fuse number 26 will be also 30 amp green fuse, responsible for passenger front door power window. So right here, I'll try to zoom in a bit more so you can see it. So you see these green fuses right there. Yeah, those are the ones. And then the last thing, in case your rear power windows are not working, you'll have a circuit breaker, and it will be completely on the top, this green thing right there. That should be a 30 amp circuit breaker, responsible for rear power windows and rear window switch illumination. Now, in case all of these fuses are good and you still have problems with one of the power windows, then you want to make sure first to check power window switch if it's getting power and if it's operational. Then you want to check all the wiring, and in the end you want to check the power window motor inside the door. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.